Hey friends, Allison here. Welcome back to my channel. I thought it would be fun to share with you a flip through of my first 6x8 album that I made using Ali Edwards products, specifically the story kits. So the kits that I used in this album specifically is the Begin story kit, Awesome, and Currently. And I also have my Pieces of the Past project in this album as well. So rather than voicing over this entire video and having commentary throughout, I thought that I would just throw on some music so you could kick back and relax while you take in my video. It's only a few minutes anyways, so enjoy. If you do enjoy this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and a like. And if you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below and I will answer them as best I can. Have a fantastic day, friends, and I hope you enjoy my video. See you again soon.